Hey everybody, welcome back here to Make Money Online Guy, and today I have some urgent news for you guys. Now I made a decision that you should never ever do as an individual investor, but I just had to put my cards on the table for this one. Now what I did was I took $25,000. You did what?
$25,000.
Are you stupid or something?
And I put it into one stock. Now I know that's against all rules, but you know what? Sometimes in life, it takes money to make money, and that's exactly what we did on Make Money Online Guy. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you the risk that you need to take to improve your life, but I know the risk I'm willing to take to improve my life. And I want you guys to share that moment. Let's check it out. Now, what I did is I took almost $26,000 and put it into a self-brokerage account inside of Merrill Lynch. Now, this is money that I can spare but kind of can't spare, but you know what? That's beside the point. So what I did was I took this particular stock, which was $4.95 at the time, and bought 5,000 shares. Now, this is the stock that I've been telling you guys about, and that stock is SENS, Sensonics. If you guys seen my last video, I had talked about this stock as the #1 stock, but I didn't actually take any mind to putting any more money into it. And then I just thought about the risk in life, and I was just thinking this company is going to go somewhere with the technology they're doing with this diabetes and this chip that it could put under your skin to monitor your glucose levels. Now, it is a lot of technology that needs to be evolved, but this is by far, I think, something to jump on right now. Now, I can go into the stock and how it is a little bit farther, but this particular video is about how I put 25 grand inside of Sensonics. Now, let's finish up so I can show you guys when I got to the point where I actually made the buy. All right, everybody, we reached the end of the video, and I just want to let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. I'm not rich. I'm an average Joe, just like you, but I'm willing to take the risk in my life, not for your entertainment, but for everybody to understand and see how it is in the stock market when somebody does take a risk. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos, and leave some comments down below on what you guys think about seeing stock and if you would invest that much money into a risky stock like that. I appreciate you guys watching, and tune in next week to see where our 25,000 has taken us.